Welcome to Rentio Toor Dal recipes and I'm Chef Shivani Mehta. Let's make veg dal au gratin today with garlic bread. So basically it's a big dish where we will mix all boiled veggies along with toor dal with creamy white sauce. And then we will make base of a roasted au gratin along with veggie creamy white sauce, top it with the cheese and bake it till it's a golden brown. So let's start making.
Cause I don't recognize you anymore. Once sweet and caring, now cold and calculated. You can't be trusted. You want the world for your own. You want maximum profit.
How did you like the recipe? Of course, I know you liked it so much. Thank you for that. And don't forget to follow our social media pages of Rentio Toor Dal. Also recommend to your friends and family. Thank you for watching us.